welcome back to my channel. Who is ready for fall? I'm feeling it. I got the plaid on. I am ready for it to be fall time. I got this in the mail and this is the new FabFitFun fall box. If you are unfamiliar, FabFitFun is a seasonal box. It's probably one of the best subscription services I think I've ever seen. They always have a really good combination of a little bit of fitness, a little bit of health, a little bit of beauty, like hair care, skincare, makeup, stuff like that. And it's reasonably priced. And because I am a FabFitFun partner, they did give me a $10 off code. It is MELSMAKEUP. I'll link it in the description box down below, but if you're interested in subscribing, then you can get $10 off of your first box if you use that code, or you could use anybody's code, or you could not use my code. I don't care. I don't get anything from it. I'm not getting paid to make this video. I just was simply sent this box to share with you guys. FabFitFun is one of those boxes that you literally see everywhere. Everywhere. I feel like every influencer, every social media person is talking about it, but I mean, the overhype is real. It actually is a really good box. And then inside each box, you do get like a little pamphlet that tells you a little bit more about each of the products that are inside of the box. Because this was sent to me, I didn't get a chance to actually like pick the stuff that I wanted, but if you did, then you would get a chance to pick your stuff. Okay, so here's what the inside of the box looks like. It looks like there's a lot of good stuff. It looks like you had the option to pick a scarf, a plaid scarf. Actually, it's a blue plaid scarf. It'd probably look a lot like my shirt. A yoga mat, a ceramic styler, a teeth whitening kit, or a mystery item. So it looks like for me, this must be what I got for item number 1, which is the ceramic styler. Actually, this would be perfect to toss into my hospital bag. And it's a really pretty color, although it's much more of a summer color, not really a fall color, but it's just really pretty coral. Probably what I would pick if I were to pick myself. Okay, item number 2, you would either get a Kate Spade lunch tote, ooh, detox pads by the brand Nassifmd. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. A striped wallet, or a cheese board. So you can see there's a mixture of like food and beauty stuff. So it looks like I got the striped wallet. So this is by the brand Cut From The Cloth Slim Striped Wallet. This is a $60 value. Wow. So already $80 plus $60, that's $140 that my box is already valued at, and you pay $49.99 for it, or $39.99 if you use my code. Is that right? Am I doing my math right? So definitely a really good value. So here's what it looks like. And then it reminds me of Sephora. Anything with black and white stripes completely reminds me of Sephora. And then you have a little spot for like cash or a checkbook if people still use that. Lots of cards. Nice. There is no change spot for a change pouch, but this is a really nice wallet. This might actually make a really good gift as well. Okay, item number 3 would be a Better Skin. Oh, I've actually used Better Skin products before. Lava Magic, Bobble Bar Ear Crawlers. Ooh, I hope that's what I got. Or Cosmetics Pure C, which looks like it's a night serum. So it looks like, actually it looks like I got the earrings. Yay, this is exactly what I would have picked if I could have picked. For item number 2, I probably would have picked maybe the Kate Spade lunch bag if I were to have picked, but I am so excited about these earrings. I love Bobble Bar. They have really cute, reasonably priced items that look really high end. These retail for $34, and they're crawlers, which means, oh, they're actually a little dangly. Oh, so cute. So I don't know, can you guys see? Yeah, you can see. So cute, and they have the little hook. I'm actually not wearing earrings, but my hair's down, so they'll get stuck in it. Those are really cute. I'm really excited about those. Okay, item number 4, you would get a salt and pepper mill. So like salt, pepper thing you put it in. A hair towel, a Trestique mini eye kit, which I think is what I have because I can see it right there. Or a Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. So the Trestique retails for $48. Holy moly. This is a really good value. Like, I'm feeling like my box is gonna be worth like $300 plus. This brand is sold at Sephora. It's a really good brand. I've tried their lip products before, but never their eye products. So this is actually really good colors. They're nice neutrals. So there's there's a brow pencil, a shadow crayon, and an eye pencil. Oh, Oh, okay. Well, the brow pencil is going to be much too dark for my eyebrows. But, oh, how cool. Oh, it's one of those like triangle tips, like the Hourglass Arch or the Anastasia, the new one that's like triangle shaped. Nice. I don't know what color this is. Americano, maybe? Probably a little bit too dark for me. But then you have two eyeshadow colors. So this one is in Pink Pearl. I love eyeshadow sticks. You can't see that. It's like a pretty pink champagne. It's nice and creamy. And then this one is in the color Kona Coffee. So a little bit nice and creamy. See how pigmented that one is? Nice. And then the eyeliner pencil is black. It's in the color Black Sand. Imagine that. Nice and creamy also. Okay, for your fifth product, you either get a Deep Relax Roller Ball with aromatherapy or the Wander Beauty eye masks, gold eye masks, the masks. It's kind of hard to say that. Or the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Face Toner. So it looks like I got the aromatherapy roller ball here. I actually really like aromatherapy things. It's Deep Relax. Never heard of this brand before. Has chamomile, sandalwood. Smells very herbally. It smells very herbally. It's not my favorite, but I do love aromatherapy, and if it's gonna help me relax, I can use all the relaxation I can get right now. Okay, the sixth product, actually 6, 7, and 8 look like they come in every single box. So the rest of these you'll get in your box no matter what. So the first thing here is, it looks like it's by the brand Harper and Ari. So they're exfoliating sugar cubes. Interesting. Delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate your skin. Oh, yeah. That's cool. So it's an exfoliator, but in like a cube form. It smells really good. These remind me of gummy vitamin. Then the next product is by the brand Aveda. Not my favorite brand. Their stuff just smells too herbally for me. But this is the Daily Hair Repair. Retails for $30, by the way. The Harper & Co. or Harper & Ari retails for $16. So yeah, this looks like it's a hair repair styling treatment, perhaps. Shake well, work small amount of product into hands, damp hair. Yeah, okay, so it's a styling product. Yeah, I don't love the way their products smell, but it is a really good brand. And then the last thing is by Human & Kind. It's a body souffle in the apricot scent. Ooh, I love apricot scent. And it retails for $18. It's a nice light apricot scent. Oh, I really like that. All right, guys, so those are the products that I got in my fall FabFitFun box. I am so excited to see what everybody else gets. I really want to see what the scarf looks like. I feel like that would be super cute and perfect for fall, but I think I got mostly all the stuff that I would have picked out myself, like if I could have customized my box. But the good news is you can customize your box. You can do it right now. I will link the website down below and all my coupon codes and all of that so that you can get the box yourself if you want to. And it's only seasonal. So if you want to treat yourself like, 4 times a year, then it's a really good way to do that. It's a nice fun surprise. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.